Hello everyone, in this video I am telling about the Apple 16 Pro to feature major telephoto lens revision. The iPhone 16 Pro model will the coming in the September 2024 will feature a major camera lens overhaul according to the Economic Daily News. Apple planned to use more advanced glass model lenses, which the site says will lead to the thinner and lighter design. Lenses that are shorter and improved optical zoom magnification. The updated glass is said to limited to the telephoto lens because of the difficult production process and limited production. Apple's representative allegedly recently visited modeled glass supplier Hoya. Hoya website says that it is able to produce a large number of highly accurate spherical glass model lenses. Apple will also secure lenses from current supplier larger precision. The new lens technology is expected to be more expensive, so iPhone 16 Pro model could face price pressure this year. Back in July, Weibo account digital chat situation referenced the model glass technology for the iPhone 16 Pro model, suggesting that Apple would introduce a super telephoto lens. Super is the label that is typically applied to camera that have a focal length of over 30 mm, which would far exceed the 120 mm zoom of the current 5x tetraprism lens in the 15 Pro Max. Both of the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are expected to offer the more advanced telephoto capability currently limited to the Pro Max, but digital chat station suggested that super zoom capability could be limited to the Pro lens, which would give it even more advanced optical zoom than the iPhone 16. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.